What's up, team? This is Coach Juliette. I have super exciting news to share with you all. It's been in my mind for quite a while, and a lot of you actually asking about this as well. We are growing and connecting as an online YouTube community for quite a while right now, and I think it's the right time for us to take our relationships to the next step in person. Just think about it. Just imagine. Just dream for right now. What if we travel together? Exploring new exciting places, trying new delicious exotic foods, and staying fit together as a group at the same time. Wouldn't be that exciting and amazing? That definitely would make my dream come true. I've been thinking about it for quite a while right now, and I even brought it a few times to our community. And it comes with a lot of work, a lot of planning, a lot of organizations. It takes so much time to research the places where to go, to put things together, and to make it happen smooth for everyone. I don't have skills for this, and I don't have time for this. So I've been praying and thinking and researching the right companies, the right partners, the right people to help me to organize those adventures for us. And I'm so thrilled to announce I finally found the one company like that, Trova Travel, Trova Trip, which gonna help us to organize those experiences to our liking, to the destinations we want on our budget. But the first thing first, in order for us even to plan the first trip, which probably gonna take 5 to 7 months anyway, we have to know where we're going. So there is a survey down below in the description of this video. It's gonna take you to the few questions. It will give you the opportunity to pick the countries, and you don't have to pick just one country where you want to go. I picked 3 for myself. Then it's going to take you to the approximate time where you would love to travel. I put September, October for myself. It more looks like a reality, right? And then it's going to ask you the duration. For myself, it was 5 to 7 days. Unfortunately, that's only as long as I can get away from my work right now, from my students in Florida, and from my family. But 7 days is a decent time to travel. Then it's going to take you to the budget. What is your budget? It's very important. We want to make it convenient and affordable for everyone. I want to have as many people in our first trip as I possibly can. More people, more fun, more connections, more excitement. So make sure you fill out that survey if you're thinking ever to join our trips. Let's make our dream come true.